Here's some tips and things to avoid when cooking pancakes on your Blackstone. I've already heated this whole surface and it's greased, and I'm pouring my pancake batter. I started on the right hand side, so as you can see, bubbles are forming and these are cooking rather well. I already began flipping the ones in the middle, which are the ones I poured first. I sprinkled some chocolate chips toppings after I poured my batter, and I'm just going to flip them over. You can also check for doneness by lifting an edge, and I'm going to show you what happens when you flip them too early. The metal spatula is a little rougher, so they tend to break. So you want to be quite gentle when you flip your pancakes with the metal spatula. But other than that, all of these are ready to go, and you're going to flip them over. Here on the right-hand side, I'm going to, in a minute, reduce the heat on this right-hand side to the lowest setting. You can even turn it off, because I'm going to move the pancakes over to the right and keep them warm while I cook the rest of the batch. Hope this helps.